Welcome to Best Choice. The best RMR plate is probably one of the most crucial components for anyone looking to mount a red dot sight on their firearm. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just getting started, the right RMR plate can significantly impact your accuracy and overall shooting experience. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of RMR plates, exploring what makes a great one and helping you choose the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. DPP Titanium Adapter Plate for Glock 1719 MOS. This adapter plate is custom-made for standard Glock Gen 3 to Gen 5 models. It is designed to fit the 17, 19, and MOS versions, along with Trijicon RMR SRO and Holosun optics. The plate is precision CNC machined from 6AL4V aerospace-grade titanium. This ensures it is ultra-low profile, lightweight, and will never rust, providing long-lasting durability. Featuring a one-piece design, this adapter plate provides a secure zero hold. Installation is easy, and it comes with all the necessary hardware and tools. The included high-strength alloy steel Torx head screws make installation simple. You'll have your optic mounted securely in no time. Enjoy peace of mind with a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Plus, it comes with 7/24 quick response technical support and a lifetime warranty. What we like. This adapter plate is built from aerospace-grade titanium, ensuring it's incredibly strong and lightweight. It's also compatible with a wide range of Glock models and popular red dot sights. If you're looking for a durable and reliable mounting solution that offers peace of mind with a lifetime warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. This plate is 100x better than the factory plate that Glock provides. This thing fit like a glove, absolutely great tolerances and no issues. The Holosun mounted right up and also fit perfectly. The screws have blue thread locker and it comes with its own wrench. The plate is extremely well made with exact tolerances. The nice thing about this plate design is that it has both the front recoil indexing lugs and screw posts, which relieves a lot of stress from the mounting screws, lowering the chance of screws snapping over prolonged use. Number 4. OHHUNT Picatinny Mount Plate Adapter for Red Dots. This is the OHHUNT Mount Plate Adapter. It's designed for various red dot sights, making it a versatile choice for your firearm. It ensures a secure and reliable fit for your optics. We've improved the recoil stops for a better fit. This adapter is designed to work seamlessly with Holosun and Crimson Trace red dots. It provides a stable platform for your sight. This adapter is compatible with Holosun 407K 507K, CTS 1550, and Romeo 0. It offers a wide range of compatibility, ensuring you can use it with your preferred red dot sight. The kit includes the mount plate, screws, and hex keys. Everything you need is included in the package. It's easy to install and get your optic mounted. When installing, use a torque wrench. The maximum torque is 7.97 lbf/in. This will help prevent over-tightening the screws and stripping them. What we like. This mount plate features improved recoil stops for enhanced performance. It's specifically designed to fit Holosun 407K 507K and Crimson Trace red dots. If you have a compact pistol and want a secure and reliable mounting solution for your red dot, this plate is a great choice. What people say. The plate fit perfectly. The screws were the correct length and thread pitch. The finish is great. Number 3. OHHUNT Red Dot Adapter for G1719 etc. MOS. This adapter plate is designed for mounting red dot sights. It's compatible with various models, making it a versatile choice for your firearm. This allows you to easily upgrade your setup. Made from 7075 aluminum, this adapter is built to last. The anodic hard oxidation treatment enhances its durability, making it resistant to scratches and rugged use. It's a reliable component for any shooter. The adapter features a low-profile and lightweight design. Installation is straightforward, with included hardware and tools. The raised rear mounting studs provide extra stability for a secure zero hold. This adapter fits G17, 19, 22, 23, 34, 35, 41, 45, 47, and 49 MOS models. It's also compatible with G20, 21, and 40 MOS, though it may be slightly smaller. It works with OHHUNT and Holosun red dot sights. Please note that this adapter is not compatible with 43x48 MOS models. It is also not compatible with Holosun 407C, 507C, and Romeo 0 Pro. Ensure it fits your specific red dot sight before purchase. What we like. This adapter plate is constructed from durable 7075 aluminum with an anodic hard oxidation treatment. It's easy to install and compatible with a variety of Glock MOS models and red dot sights. If you prioritize durability and want a mount that can withstand rugged use, consider this option. What people say. OHHUNT makes some great stuff. I've tried a few red dot mounts so far, and none of them have disappointed me. Great quality metal, with good screws and proper fit. I got this to test one of the spare Holosun dot sights on my G19 MOS and G23 MOS handguns. Number 2. DPP Titanium Mounting Kit for Trijicon RMR SRO. This kit includes high-strength screws designed for maximum thread depth. It ensures a secure fit for your optic on Glock MOS and other compatible models. This provides a stable and reliable platform for your sight. The smooth surface finish allows the sight to be submerged up to 66 feet for an hour without leaks. This feature protects the optic from the elements, ensuring it functions in various conditions. It provides peace of mind in challenging environments. This kit greatly reduces the chance of battery connection issues. The anti-flicker plate applies upward pressure, ensuring a reliable connection. This helps maintain a clear and consistent reticle. The kit comes with everything you need for installation. It includes sealing plates, screws, and a hex key. This ensures you have all the necessary components for a quick and easy setup. Made from durable 304 stainless steel with a black finish, this kit is built to last. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty. You can purchase it with confidence. What we like. This mounting kit includes an anti-flicker plate and enhanced sealing for your red dot sight. It also comes with high-strength screws to ensure a secure fit. If you are experiencing flickering issues with your sight or want to ensure a reliable battery connection, this kit is designed to solve those problems. What people say. The plate fit perfectly. The plate is well made. The screws are the correct length. Number 1. DPP Titanium Glock Mount for Trijicon RMR SRO and Holosun. Introducing the DPP Titanium Mount, designed for your Glock. This mount is built for Trijicon RMR SRO and Holosun optics. Precision CNC machine from 7075 T6 aerospace-grade aluminum. This material is nearly twice as strong as the 6061 aluminum used in similar products. It features a black anodizing finish for added durability. This ensures it can withstand tough conditions and maintain its performance. Compatible with Trijicon RMR SRO and Holosun 407C507C508T. Please note that it does not fit fake Trijicon RMR models. It features a one-piece design for a secure zero hold and is easy to install. Enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty. What we like. This rear sight dovetail mount is made from 7075 T6 aerospace-grade aluminum, which is almost twice as strong as 6061 aluminum. It's compatible with Trijicon RMR SRO and Holosun 407C507C508T. If you want a robust and reliable mount that offers superior strength, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The plate worked perfectly with my PA Classic Mini Reflex. Both plates fit perfectly, although quite a tight fit in the dovetails. This dovetail mount is an ideal solution when an MOS slide is unavailable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.